Hello, welcome to Kyle's Auto Sales. Here we got a 2019 Chevy Equinox LT. She is running, so we're going to do a walk around. Beautiful SUV. She does have a clean title. Has had a minor accident on the back bumper. We'll get back there and I'll show you that because it's not there. Either it's been repaired or there was never anything to it. But it was rated minor on the Carfax. Nothing there. She looks great. We are going a little bit on the fast side because there is coming up a storm. So I'm trying to get this done for you. You'll probably hear some thunder in the background. Let's take a look at the seats. Beautiful seats, beautiful interior. She's got 94,275 miles. 94,000 miles. That's just my keys in the cup holder. It does have the armrest and cup holders for the back seat riders. Let's take a look at the back. With the push of a button, she goes up. And does have the spare tire. It's under all this other stuff. Let me see if I can get to it. There's the spare tire. And let me put this back down for you. Back seats do flip down, so if you need more room, you can certainly have it. And let me push it back down. With the push of a button. Does have new wipers there. She has been serviced. She's got a fresh oil change, new cabin filter, new air filter, new wipers, all three. And here's my paper. And you can see there where we check everything out. Brakes are about 95% life remaining. Tires are 7/32, which is very, very good. She needs nothing but a new owner. Owner's manual is in the glove box. Nice seats. Very nice. Excellent condition. If you have any questions, you can call me at 704-213-0169. We're located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Beautiful Equinox right here. 2019 Equinox. Chevy Equinox LT. Let's take a look at the inside. Get in there and I'll show you the dash. And let's put the window up. All right, there's the steering wheel features. And there's the odometer. 94,275. And she has been emissions inspected. Gotta turn it back down because I don't have rights to the music. And she does have a backup camera. And let's hit home. Okay, sorry. There we go. She has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And you got your phone hookup. There's your Bluetooth. I'm not connected because I'm just doing this for you. And we'll go back to audio. Hit the radio again. Nice stereo system. Does have heated seats, good cold AC. And this is her fob. Let me put that there for you. Got a cute little purple case. And if you don't like it, take it off. And there's a black case under it. And that's just my keys there. So let me get my keys out of the way. And she is a push button start. I can't think of anything else to tell you or show you. She's very nice. Looks like we're gonna beat the rain. I was worried about that. Let's see if I can show you the odometer again. 94,275. Clean title, clean Carfax, one minor accident on the back bumper. She has been serviced, fresh oil change, new cabin filter, new air filter, and all 3 new wipers. Push button start. All right, I guess I'm going to give you another walk around, and that's going to do it. Put the window back down. And I'll pop the hood too so you can hear the engine up close and personal. Let's back up and give you one more walk around. Beautiful Equinox. It's cloudy out here, so you really can't see the shine in her, but trust me, there's shine. She's beautiful. There she is. She is a 4-cylinder. All right. Purring like a kitten. Can't go wrong here. You can't go wrong when you buy from Kyle's Auto Sales. We do our best to make sure our cars are good quality cars for you. They are serviced. We service all of them. We don't set you up for failure. Very nice 2019 Chevy Equinox LT. 94,000 miles, I believe it was. I'm going off memory now. My memory's terrible. I'm just going to go in here and take a quick look. 94,275. Clean title. One minor accident, which is in the back bumper, which is not there. So either it was never anything or it's been repaired. And it was rated minor, so it wasn't much of anything to start with. I can't think of anything else. If you have questions, give me a call, 704-213-0169. We're located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 Eastridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Looks like we beat the rain. I still hear thunder in the distance. It looks like we made it. All right, thank you very much for your time. If you would hit like and share, I'd very much appreciate that. Y'all have a wonderful day. Come see us at your Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 Eastridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Call me 704-213-0169. Thank you very much for your time. Remember to hit like and share. Thank you very much. Y'all have a good day.